Hey everyone, my name is Eugenia and I'm a product manager here at Pastor's Today I have Anne, our customer support specialist, with me today. For those who don't know, we now offer a browser extension, which we did a full webinar on that you can check out. We wanted to update you all on how Planning Center and CCB churches are using the browser plugin to save time and minimize frustrations. So Anne, what are churches saying about our plugin so far?
Yes, so far we've had some really great feedback. Central Baptist Church said that they've loved using it. Monica from the Naples Project said it's made her life so much easier because of the ability to work directly from Planning Center. And Tammy from Central Baptist Church said it's been a great experience so far. It's easy to use, and she's encouraged almost all of her staff to use it as well.
That's great to hear. Were there any specific examples on how churches use the extension to save time?
Yeah, so this is something we actually wanted to focus on today. Vance from Centerpoint Church is the perfect example of this. He said that before trying the extension, having to sync their lists in Pastorsline was difficult and slow. This is actually feedback we've heard from many others as well. In Pastorsline, to message a group or list from your Planning Center or CCB account, you would first need to choose the list to sync, wait for it to sync, and in some cases, if there was a user that needed to message this group, you'd have to assign it to that user before the group could be messaged. Now, all you need to do is go into the group or list in your Planning Center or CCB account, click Send Message via Pastorsline, and not only is that group or list going to sync over into Pastorsline, the group will be resynced for the most recent results. The messages will be scheduled and sent once that resync is complete. And if it applies, the group will also be auto-assigned to the user that sent the message. This saves you a ton of time. Vance was pretty frustrated and didn't think the other pastors would be able to get on board with using Pastorsline. But once we explained the power of the browser extension and he tried it for himself, he actually was excited to share it with the rest of the team.
That's an amazing testimonial, and I love how the frustration turned into a win for Centerpoint Church. Since then, we've added many tweaks and implemented your feedback, and now the extension works with Firefox and Edge in addition to Chrome. The extension for the Safari and Opera browser is now pending review, and we're hoping to get those approved by the end of the month. In the meantime, we recommend using the Pastorsline extension on Google Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, especially when you're sending messages. So, what are some of the common things people are asking about, and are there any new features on the roadmap to look forward to?
Yeah, so as mentioned in our last webinar, we were going to focus on tweaks and making improvements based on real usage. We have had some small bugs reported that have been fixed already, but overall there hasn't been a lot of requests for many changes other than adding more browsers, as Eugenia just mentioned. We are about 50% complete on adding other integrations like Breeze, Avanto, and Rock, and the most requested feature, plans are on the way to offer the option to schedule messages. So currently you can send one-time messages to groups or individuals, but scheduling messages is on the way.
That's great, and we're super excited for these new updates. We highly recommend those who are using Planning Center or CCB to install this extension. It can be installed for every user who has an account with us. You may not need to learn how to use the Pastorsline process to sync and send messages. You can send all your messages within the extension, which will save you time and minimize frustration. So Anne, for those who may be new, what are the basic steps to get started, and where can you find more information?
In your browser extension store, you can search for Pastorsline, or you can go to our website, pastorsline.com/browser, and click on the specific browser you're using to download the app. You can then install it, sign in, and start texting right away. Once you are ready to use it, you just open the CCB or Planning Center group or list, and you will see an additional button to send a group message. You can also right-click on any phone number and send a one-on-one text. And if you need additional in-depth information, I would also highly recommend checking out the one-pager at pastorsline.com/browser, and definitely watch the webinar replay.
Thanks, Anne. And we encourage you to download the browser extension if you haven't already, and we hope you really enjoy using it. And as always, please reach out to us if you have any questions or need anything at all. Bye.